Welcome to Daily Logistics. In this video, we are going to talk about inbound logistics and outbound logistics. First, we will see what are inbound logistics and outbound logistics. Inbound logistics is responsible for bringing supplies or materials into a company, whilst outbound logistics is responsible for moving goods and products to customers. Both are concerned with the transportation of commodities, whereas incoming is concerned with receipt and outbound with delivery. Materials and other commodities are brought into a company via inbound logistics. This process focuses on the supply side of the supply-demand equation and covers the actions to order, receive, store, transport, and manage incoming commodities. Outbound logistics is concerned with the demand side of the supply-demand equation, and it entails the storage and delivery of commodities to the consumer or end user. Order fulfillment, packing, shipping, delivery, and delivery-related customer care are among the steps. Here is the discussion on the importance of inbound and outbound logistics. Consumerism in the world bears a direct relationship with supplies of goods and services. Hence, the associated supply chain plays a key role in the sustainability of global consumerism. The global trends in inbound and outbound logistics components are crucial to the success of a dynamic business process to have an unhampered state for consumerism. These processes are intricately entwined with production, profits, and customer services. There are many challenges in getting logistics in a supply chain link, so the costs of maintaining these processes can be of paramount importance to place the right controls to keep the dynamism in a business. Logistics coordinate the movement and storage of resources for goods, equipment, and inventory. For manufacturers, logistics starts with the inbound supply of raw materials and carries through to the delivery of finished products to customers. In a typical manufacturing process, the logistics department would receive supplies, issue components to a production line, move finished goods to a distribution center, manage inventory, and ship products to a customer. Each of these phases, including purchasing, accepting goods, warehousing, packaging, inventory management, shipping, transportation, and delivery, is overseen by logistics teams. When the demand for products increases and there are various components to control in a production line, controlling these operations becomes complex. Further, having several distribution channels and operating facilities in different places makes the logistician's jobs harder. Logistics is the cornerstone of a company's success, especially in international trade. Well-organized logistics activities reduce the company's costs and time, meet clients' demands, and improve the branding and reputation of the company. In a world where consumerism is on the rise, consumers are more informed than ever about their preferences for product quality, and customer satisfaction is a key factor in service delivery. As a result, a production plant is devoted to satisfying consumer desires. Both inbound and outbound logistics play a crucial role in ensuring that satisfaction is sustained. What is the impact of failed inbound and outbound logistics activities? A company must have the appropriate supplies following the 7 rights of logistics. A failed inbound logistics chain could lead to inadequate stocks for production. This will ultimately lead to disruptions in the outbound logistics chain. A discontinued outbound logistics chain fails to meet the customer demand, leading to customer dissatisfaction. A failed logistics chain not only impacts economically but also non-economically. A lost customer is the biggest non-economic cost to the company, while high freight rates due to last-minute bookings, air freighting instead sea freighting to meet delivery cutoff, and obsolete stocks due to not delivering the product to meet seasonal demand are few economical costs. How to maintain a balanced inbound and outbound logistics chain. Logistics oversees all connections between suppliers, producers, distributors, customers, production, and delivery-related customer services in the manufacturing industry. Logistics aids in the synchronization of the supply chain by controlling the flow of commodities from the point of origin to the point of consumption, and thus, participants in the supply chain profit greatly from this process to build business relationships. On the supply side, the most essential partnerships are with suppliers and vendors. On the demand side, the most crucial ties are with logistics providers, retailers, wholesalers, distributors, and end customers. On product formulation, product size, product mix, inventory levels, supply forecasts, risk management, cost control, waste reduction, and ordering systems, suppliers may work closely with key customers. In this situation, customers may form an alliance with supply chain management to determine customer preferences and work out logistics on pacing, packing, scheduling, and route efficiency. In logistics operations, the most prominent challenge for a manufacturing plant is to ensure that there are sufficient inbound supplies to meet customer demands. The demand may vary on seasonality, competitive influences, economic conditions, pricing volatility in raw materials, fluctuations in selling cycles, and many more. The best way to balance supply and demand is through the management of information and data that could be digitalized to monitor incoming inventory to the order pipeline. Such a system can monitor the status and location of inbound deliveries, predict demand based on historical patterns, find opportunities to consolidate purchases, and many more implementations to balance demand and supply. In the final analysis, a manufacturing facility exerts its entire effort to have sustainability in customer satisfaction, and as a result, supply chain management looks collectively at multiple business activities to achieve a competitive advantage while the entire stream of logistics focuses on the flow of goods to meet customer needs. Hence, every business that makes a product or provides a service has to figure out how to manage logistics. As an example, both a company that turns silicon into computer chips and a farmer who grows wheat from seeds uses logistics to get goods to their customers. In addition, a company's inbound and outbound logistics are determined by what it sells and its business model. For example, an apparel manufacturer like Under Armour determines how much fabric, thread, buttons, zippers, and other supplies they will need to produce the upcoming trendy fashion line in order to meet customer demands. The procurement team collaborates with the designers to identify vendors for each component that match the specifications for pricing, color, style, quantity, and delivery time. The buying manager works up contracts with each vendor, and the supply chain ensures that production runs smoothly. Let's see the technology in inbound and outbound logistics. Inbound and outbound logistics are critical because they aid in the smooth operation of a business and have a direct and significant impact on sales, costs, profitability, and customer satisfaction. In today's commercial world, digitalized logistics is used to acquire higher competitive advantages for production, inventory, and warehouse management systems. It is easy and transparent to manage core financial processes. Product-based businesses have visibility into all aspects of operations and can easily run reports that demonstrate the impact of different scenarios on profits and customer satisfaction, as well as many other areas of interest to the manufacturer, with technology-based applications in supply chain links. Additionally, technology-based applications naturally function as cost centers, thus above all, they represent an opportunity for huge time and cost savings in the manufacturing process. As a result, more and more companies delve deep into the aspects of their operations and see if there are more efficient, cost-effective ways to complete the entire process of inbound and outbound logistics operations to optimize resilient supply chain management as a whole, and provide exceptional customer satisfaction that will help the business to soar into success in the competitive world of business. That's it for this video. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to check out our other content. If you like our channel, consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.